Here they are, guys, the new wheels for the Fusion. Picked them up in Austin, got them painted here in Dallas, and they came out beautiful. They are a black pearl type color. Let me see if I can clean it up a little bit so you can see it. But either way, loading them up on my dad's truck, gonna take them to the tire shop and get everything mounted and ready to go. So one thing that I forgot to order are sensor caps. So we're gonna have to use the ones that it came with. Who knows, maybe I'll like it. Okay, we're about to head out, but I never actually showed you guys this footwell lighting. I think it looks pretty cool. It's on a cycle right now, and even got in the back. Just kind of wanted to fill you guys in on why I chose these specific wheels. I guess there's a few reasons. I mean, the main one being that this is my daily driver. I'd feel pretty bad spending like $2,000 on wheels and then having them get damaged in whatever situation. So there's that. Because I was looking at some more aftermarket wheels, and then realized that it'd kind of be basically a good chunk of the value of the car just in the wheels. I don't want to like break the bank on this car, especially since it's just my daily driver. I just wanted to look cool more than anything. And I've always liked the Snowflake ST wheels. There's only a handful of Fusions that I've seen that have it. And realistically speaking, it's a safe choice because everything's gonna fit. You don't have to worry about the offset or anything because it is coming off of another Ford, and bolt patterns and everything because they do have different bolt patterns than say the Mustang. So finding these wheels was, it was always a search that I would do. I'd say those are my two main points. And I actually found a guy in Austin who was selling them for $160, and this was a couple months before I even sent him a message. But I realized that they weren't sold yet, so I kind of said, okay, well, he might, not be as eager to get the full price. He might just, okay, yeah, let's just take them. They've just been sitting here. So I offered him $100, and he took it. $100 for four wheels, whole set. And keep in mind, these come with the center caps, no curb rash, no anything whatsoever. They're all, perfect condition. And I just went and I picked them up and I got them. And then all it was basically just going to my body guy and be like, hey, so do you have any cool black paints that you can paint this in? And we're here. So, discount tire, gonna get these wheels installed, and get these put on.
Three hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
And here she is. She looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm really happy with how they came out. The wheels look bigger than I thought they would. You can actually see through them to the brakes, which I actually upgraded earlier when I got the car, just some performance brakes. But now I feel like I need to paint the calipers. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any color suggestions, like white or red, let me know. So the reveal was a little dark, so I'm going to pull it out now that there's some sunlight and show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, so you can definitely see the whole brake setup through here. Probably going to paint the calipers. Not really sure what color though, so if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Here's a little bit of a closer look. The car is in the shade, so you can't get the full effect of the paints on the wheels, but hopefully I took a video after so that you can see. That's gonna do it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to keep up to date on the Fusion, and I'll see you in the next one.